Have you ever wondered how to buy and sell cryptocurrency? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Today, we'll be breaking down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First off, buying cryptocurrency. Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini are some of the popular choices. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up, provide necessary details, verify your identity if the platform requires it, and don't forget to set up two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Step 3. Deposit funds. You can deposit fiat currency like dollars, euros, or pounds into your account using various methods like bank transfers or credit and debit cards. Step 4. Select a cryptocurrency. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or something else entirely, choose the cryptocurrency that suits your goals. Step 5. Place an order. You can either buy at the current market price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. Finally, Step 6. Securely store your cryptocurrency. After purchasing, shift your cryptocurrency to a secure wallet. Hardware or software wallets are both good options for this. Now let's move on to selling cryptocurrency. Again, Step 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. You can use the same platform where you bought your crypto or opt for a different one. Step 2. Log into your account. Navigate to the sell or trade section to get started. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency to sell. This will be the one you have in your exchange wallet. Step 4. Choose a selling method. You can opt for a market sell order or a limit sell order, just like when buying. Step 5. Enter the amount to sell. Specify how much of your cryptocurrency you wish to sell and review the transaction details. Step 6. Complete the sale. Confirm and proceed to sell your cryptocurrency. The funds from the sale will be credited to your exchange account. Finally, Step 7. Withdraw your funds. Transfer the funds to your bank account or another supported payment method if you wish to withdraw. Remember, when dealing with cryptocurrency, security is paramount. Always use reputable exchanges, secure your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and consider using hardware wallets for long-term storage of your crypto assets. And there you have it. The process of buying and selling cryptocurrency, broken down into easy-to-follow steps. Always remember to research thoroughly and understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency. Happy trading!